Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. Welcome to the channel of self-development, spirituality, and magical endeavors. Today we're going to do a law of attraction case study. About a week ago, I posted a video about how the law of attraction actually works, and I shared 5 tips that can help you manifest what you want more effectively. And if you haven't watched that video, the link will be in the description box below. Today, I thought I'd share one of my law of attraction success stories. I'm going to talk about how I manifested this oversized denim jacket I'm wearing right now and that cute lavender jacket back there. I will go through the entire process and give you a step-by-step breakdown of the things I did to manifest these jackets. And without further ado, let's dive right into the story. Last summer, I really wanted a cute oversized denim jacket. One day I found a cute lavender one at a shop, but they didn't have any in my size left. There was one that was a size S, but it was in a different color and I didn't want that one. The shop assistant told me they still had one size S lavender jacket left in stock, but it was at another shop and that shop was very far away, so I decided to order online. However, by the time I got home and went to their website, it was gone. I really wanted a cute oversized denim jacket. So I was like, it's time to do some magic. I am going to use the law of attraction to manifest my dream jacket. And here's what I did. The first thing I did was set a clearly defined goal. I wanted an oversized denim jacket, and I had 2 style options in mind. Option A was just a basic oversized shape, no embellishments, 2 big pockets in the front, either in pastel pink or lavender. Option B, and this one's inspired by one of my favorite pair of jeans. I wanted a jacket that was in a basic denim color, and I wanted it to have pearl and stud embellishments. The second thing I did was constantly focus on my goal, and that was super easy because I basically fell in love with my goal and couldn't help thinking about it. And the more I focused on it, the more I started seeing pastel clothes, oversized jackets, denim stuff everywhere in my daily life. I also did a lot of visualization, and there were a couple of things working in my favor. When I was at that shop I mentioned earlier, I tried on the jacket that was in my size, and I remembered what that felt like. I also wore my favorite pair of jeans all the time, so I was very familiar with the kind of pearl and stud embellishments I wanted. Things like this all contributed to the quality of my visualization and made it easy for me to imagine what it's like to have my dream jacket. I knew the shape of the garment. I knew what the fabric felt like. And because I was constantly thinking about my goal and visualizing these jackets, I felt like they were items that were already in my closet, and I would often think about how cute they would look with my other clothes and accessories. I had a lot of fun and almost forgot I was even manifesting them. Besides thinking about my goal and visualizing it, I also took action. I searched in online stores and brick-and-mortar shops. After weeks of searching, I still couldn't find my dream jacket, but I didn't give up. One day, I was at this place because I wanted to buy dinner from this famous Thai food restaurant, and I walked past this store. Now, I've walked past that store many times in the past, but I never thought about going inside. But that day, for some reason, I just felt like, hey, maybe I should go check it out. So I decided to follow my intuition and go inside. And when I went inside, I saw this jacket. And I was very surprised because this jacket is almost identical to what I imagined. Now, I thought that was the end of this law of attraction success story. Little did I know there would be more. A couple of months later, I came across this online store that had a lot of cute pastel clothing and accessories, and I saw this jacket. This jacket is very similar to the one I wanted at the beginning of this story. What was even better was there was a Singles Day sale, so I ended up getting it for almost half the price. So that's my law of attraction success story. Let's do a quick recap of what I did. I set a clearly defined goal. I constantly focused on my goal and did a lot of visualization. I was not only acting as if, but also feeling as if. And last but not least, I acted from an inspired state. What does this mean? I listened to my intuition and I followed it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a like, spread the abundance by sharing it with your friends, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get notified when I post new videos. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Thanks for watching. Bye!